everybody, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, I'm Alicia, lover of makeup and glam rock. The votes are in. Thank you all who participated. Every Saturday I will be posting 2 products in my Instagram story, and you all will have a chance to vote which one is your favorite. Also, keep on watching to find out how you could get featured in next week's video. So let's talk about the products. First one up is Haus Laboratories. This color is the Vortex lip gloss, which is a black sheer top gloss. It is 0.17 ounces and should last you about 12 months. Can be found online through them for $18, but they also have a partnership with Amazon, and you could buy it there at the moment. I guess it's a deal. You could buy it there around $9. But usual original price is $18. Side note with Amazon, I did just want to mention a little bit of a disclaimer. I have spoken that many products can be purchased through Amazon. I just want to say that you do have to be careful though with Amazon on who you're purchasing from. Haus Laboratories is a partnership with Amazon, so when you're buying through Amazon, you're buying with Haus Laboratories. Some beauty suppliers do not. Like I'll mention Pravana, it's a pros only. So since it's supposed to be being sold through pros only, if you see it on Amazon, it might not be through the company themselves. So what you're purchasing may not be the actual product. It's kind of like when I mentioned you shop at Target or TJ Maxx, or if you see it at like CVS or Walmart. It's kind of an enter at your own risk. You don't know what they put in the products. You don't know if it's leftovers from a warehouse or if it's kind of, it's been returned and brought back, things like that. Although I do have to say that Target and CVS has been doing a pretty good job trying to work with smaller companies and bringing their products in to be sold at the stores exclusively. So that makes things a lot safer now. Haus Laboratories is vegan and cruelty free.
Fantastic.
It is an extreme high shine gel gloss that is meant to intensify your looks. Swiping this on your lips should give it a volumizing mirror-like finish for fuller lips. It is a gel-like formula with cream-like texture. With 31 shades in mind, they offer you 3 kinds of formulas: shine, shimmer, and sparkle. Sparkle. There is a whole lot of ingredients for this, so I will just mention a few of them. It has synthetic wax, propylene carbonate, silica, and also mica. Okay, now a bit of a demonstration. These kind of glosses are sheer glosses. They do have a bit of color to them, but you mostly want to use them as a topper. So you'll have a lip color underneath, and then place this on top. Okay, so this one's supposed to be black. This is without any color underneath. Ooh. Lovely. It gives a nice black tone to it. It is light feeling, and it also is adding some shine. Okay, now for fun, I'm going to put a color underneath it. So this is by KVD.
Slayer.
Going in with that. Ooh. Okay, and I'm going to go in with the Haus. And because it is black, it's probably just going to add some shine. Yeah, but also add dimension because of the black on black on black on black. And then it's like popping and making your lips look more fuller. Next one up is Mcgrath Flesh 4. This is a sample size. Usually these come in a pack of 3 for $25. The size on this is 0.05 ounces, and the usual size is 0.15 ounces, but costs $28 for just one. So you're getting 3 for $25, which is pretty good, even though they're small, but it's a pretty good deal. And of course, Flesh 4 is kind of a hard color to find now. I don't know if they're fading it out now. It is sold out on Pat Mcgrath online, but there is a similar color. I'm not sure how similar to it, but Flesh 6, which can be found at Sephora.com. At Pat Mcgrath, though, I guess it's a very popular color. It is also sold out. Flesh 6 sold out. Flesh 4 sold out. Wow, popular. So just to mention on how similar the colors are, Flesh 4 is a warm mid-tone brown and Flesh 6 is a rich rose brown. These products should last you about 18 months. This is a balm that glides, soothes, and smooths your lips. It is somewhat of a translucent color, so it's going to be going on sheer but add a bit of a tone to your lips. It will also add some shine and volume effects. Pat Mcgrath has 32 shades of lip glosses that are non-sticky. The range of lip glosses are from nudes to pinks. This one is a brown, so you have a pretty good, huge amount of choices. I do like one that is clear, but it has a lot of shine to it, sparkles. Like I said before, it is soothing, smoothing, but also nourishing. There are 3 types of finishing looks with this gloss. It has pearlescent, glitter, and opaque. Now, opaque means that it's not translucent, which is weird because it does say it is translucent. I guess what it means is that some of the glosses have more of a color payoff to it. Ingredients in this are polybutene, silica, mica, tin oxide, and synthetic wax. Okay, now let's give it a try. They want you to swipe it on to your bare lips. Should be giving me a wet shine. Again, this is no color on the bottom, and then we'll be adding a color on the bottom. Lovely. Ooh. At first, it does have a lot of color payoff. Once I put it on my lips, it does become a little bit more sheer. So let's try it with a bit of a color on the bottom. Okay, so I'm going to use NYX Cosmetics Soft Matte Lip Cream, and it is the color Los Angeles. Kind of a natural color. Now for the topper. Ooh, yes. This is coming out beautifully. And of course, it's touching my bottom lip because they are in close proximity with each other. Other than that, it's lovely. I'm liking it. I'm loving the shine on them.
Very nice.
Other than using a lipstick or a matte lipstick, cream lipstick, soft lipstick, any kind of lipstick, Pat Mcgrath has mentioned that they would like you to combine it with their Permagel Ultra Lip Pencil. So give that a try. You might like it. Okay, now we're going to go in with the results. Here we go. And boop! Haus Laboratories 75%. Woo woo! And Pat Mcgrath only 25%. Congratulations, Haus Laboratories. There you are, the winner. I definitely was shocked myself with these results. I wasn't sure if too many people knew that Lady Gaga had a cosmetics line yet. I know it's not mentioned so often. But the price is right. I mean, $18, it's pretty good. So, wow. Compared to $28 for one of these. But it is a bit taller. It does have more. But anyways, yeah. Haus Beauty. Woo! Haus Laboratories. Woo woo! The winner. Congratulations. Now you're probably wondering how you want to get featured. So all you have to do is let me know which one you voted for and write down in the comments which one was your favorite and why you voted for it. Also, let me know which one you agree with. If you agree that, this is the good one or this one is the good one. Let's have a conversation down there on the bottom. Either you like Haus Laboratories or Pat Mcgrath. I want to hear it from you. And then you can get featured in next week's video. So yes, comment below, everybody. We did get some comments last week's video, so here we go. We're going to feature them right here, right now. And the first one up is Mesostar Beauty Line. I like NYX. Hope next time I can buy this brand. Yes, The next one is a pretty good one. You guys have to try it. Check it out. I definitely love using it for my face. Helps with my dryness, my dry skin. It just feels really good. If you haven't checked out last week's video, I'm going to leave a little thing right up here you could click on. It was NYX Cosmetics Micellar Water versus Smashbox Makeup Remover. So go check that one out today. Next one up is, and apologies to any of these names that I might say wrong, but I believe this one is Masper or Maspar. She says, I agree, Smashbox is better. Smashbox was our winner from last week. I definitely do agree that it does take off my eye makeup pretty well. That's why I usually like to use the Smashbox for my eye makeup, because I do very intense eye makeup sometimes, so it needs to be really, go on in there. And also if you are wearing waterproof mascara, it really helps take that off. And like I said, the micellar water, it's for a quick removing. That one I use for my face. I usually just like to go on in there on my face, removing the foundation and the highlights and the contour, of course. And next one up is Simona Mukherjee. She says, for me, NYX is better than Smashbox. I'm loving that you guys are choosing which ones you loved. I love hearing that she loves NYX better than Smashbox. It is a much easier one to work with. Definitely if you are somebody who doesn't have the time to shake it up and really, leave it on in there and work it out. Or if you're somebody who is just lazy, the micellar water is, you just pour, you cleanse it off, you don't even have to rinse, and you just go to sleep. That was kind of a quick rundown of my videos last week. So again, if you want to watch the full entire thing with details, go ahead and watch my playlist as well. You could take a look at all the other videos I have done. Enjoy your day watching my videos, seeing this beautiful face. Yeah. Thank you so much for your comments. I really enjoyed seeing your guys' opinions on which ones were your favorites. And let me know this week which ones are your favorites this time around. So that's all. See you guys next week. Keep on loving makeup and keep on rocking. Bye.